In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if TikTok messages are not working or sending. So first thing, if it's not working or sending, you need to make sure that you actually have internet connection, because if you don't, you won't be able to send any messages. The second thing is that you go to your TikTok, go to profile, top right on the hamburger menu, and then settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see free up space, and then click on clear cache and clear downloads. What that does is basically helps you with this issue. If that still didn't help you, go to settings. Once you're in settings, locate general, then iPhone storage, and then wait for it to load up. Now we just need to find TikTok and then click on offload app and try it again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.